Hello and welcome to this learning module covering Konica Minolta's AccurioPress paper settings and its paper catalog. The screen shows the AccurioPress C3080, but the information presented applies to the C6100 product family as well. In addition, much of this information also applies to the AccurioPress 6136 family of back presses, as well as some of the earlier press models from Konica Minolta. I'm going to start this lesson by looking at the machine screen. In the lower right quadrant, you see a listing of the various paper sources available on your machine. The number and type of paper sources available on your display will reflect what is available to you on your machine. Before we begin covering the paper settings, it is important to point out that for your machine to pull the proper paper for your job, 3 pieces of information in your job settings need to match the settings of at least one paper source on your machine. Not having this aligned will cause an error message on your machine that will have to be corrected before the job will be able to run. In the listing for each of the individual trays, you'll notice that there are 3 columns of information displayed: the size of the paper, the name of the paper or the paper type, and the weight of the paper that is contained in each of the trays. This module will cover how to set up these parameters and how to store the settings for a specific type of paper into the paper catalog so that when that paper is reused or new paper is put in, it can be easily recalled from previous stored paper types. Please notice also at the right edge of each paper tray is a small graphic that provides an indication of the paper level in that tray. A red arrow pointing down signifies that that paper is empty.